Stop. Do you want to make this new Iman Gadzhi animation? Let's do it. Okay, so now we are on Blender, as you can see. So first we have to import the object, which was an ATM. So to get that, you first need to subscribe my YouTube channel and go to my Discord server. On there, you will find tons of resources and other thing that you'll need. I will share this object file link too. So now let's import that. So as you can see, we have finally got the object in our Blender 3D scene. So adjust it first or scale it first. Now press here to go to the modifier option to see the texture and other things. Let's turn on render scene 2. Okay, so now you can see the real-time rendering footage in your Blender. Make sure to turn on cycles and this 2 option first to see the rendering option fully. Now you will see the main footage or the real object. Let's add light now. Press Shift+A on your keyboard and go to light option and import area light for now. It'll be a long process if I explain everything, so I am making it fast. It is nothing but some simple light setup from front, back, and side. Now let's add some lights on the buttons. It is not necessary, but it looks cool, you know. So press on of them and everything will be highlight automatic. Go to the material option and change from principal BSDF to emission. Change the strength and color depending how much do you want. Okay, that is enough for me. Now we will run the video. But here is the catch. If we do this by going into edit mode and selecting this part's face and unwrap them, this will happen. And if we upload image or video on it, it'll be messed up. And I didn't know that and spend the next half an hour fixing that. So don't do that. Add a plane on shape and adjust it. Press R and X, then 90 degree on your keyboard to rotate it in 90 degree. Now adjust it like this video. Okay, so after that press New. Make sure the plane is highlighted. So press New and delete this. Add an image texture and press the folder icon. Now import any video you want to play here. I used my portfolio, but if you want like Iman, you can do it also. It's completely up to you. Go to the render view to see the original layer. Now if you need light from this video, add an emission node in between the image texture and material output. Type how much light do you want. Now we will add camera, so go to a spot you like to render your footage. I like this spot, so add camera and press Ctrl+Alt+0 on your keyboard. Now, if you notice the camera is addicted to the ATM machine, that it goes inside the ATM. Jokes aside, scale it down. Now we have to make the camera in love with the ATM machine. So to do that, add a pane axis in your scene. Adjust it right into the screen. And press your camera and press this and add track to option. Now press this eyedropper and click the pane axis. Now if you move the camera won't change his focus from the screen. That is what we wanted. Now animate the camera. Go to the first keyframe and add your keyframe here. Now go the last keyframe and animate it like this. After that, to make it smooth, send the first keyframe a bit far away, and the last one also, so it will look smooth. Now, if you want to render like me, copy this. Now your scene is ready. Go here and press Render Animation. After a few minutes, your render will be done since it's not that high-end render. It won't take that time. Now this is ready. So if you want to learn new skills and want to keep up with the top editors like us, subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram. I share a lot of information there that I can't share on YouTube, so go follow now.